This is the front yard. It's April the 16th? Saturday. It's Saturday, so 15 or 16. Okay, there's some fruits. I removed all the leaves on this tree and this tree as well, so no more leaves. And let's see, very messy yard, or front yard. So this is started from seed a couple of years ago. It's an moya, an AP, some kind of AP. Came from my mom's friend. Planted the seed. So, and here are the fruits. This is last year it fruited as well, but the fruits didn't really make it to be a large size. It was really small. I think it was like this big. So, and it dropped. So this year I think they're much larger. So, and here's some more. So yeah, we just had rain this morning. So a couple of fruits on it. I haven't tried the fruit yet. It's not ready. Don't know when it's going to be ready. And I got some plants. It's a tang-o, actually vegetables. I'm growing my own food. And this is sugar peas. Very good. Long one. Some more moya. Very moya. And that one in the back here. Oh, okay. This one, seeds. Mustard green seeds. I love mustard greens. Chinese mustard greens. Oh, here, my beans. My sugar peas beans. Saving the seeds for for next year. I did not get to harvest it at all. That's a rose apple. And then my citrus. I'm planting citrus around the front yard, the fence, around the fence, or along the fence. Anyway, that's it.